Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to SketchUp. In this course, we're going to be learning various different things on how to model. But before we jump into the topics, I would like to explain to you a basics of how this process is going to work. So as you guys can see near the cursor, there is a yellow dot or a yellow circle. That yellow circle is an extension. It's basically called a hotspot. So that is going to let you show exactly which dot we are selecting. And we have done this so you'll know exactly which dot you're supposed to select. But of course, while you're working, you will not be having this dot. It will only be a normal command. So don't try finding where do we have this circle. We have only switched on this hotspot for you guys. The next thing is, whenever you're working in a software, you want to make sure that you are saving the software all the time, or you're saving the project that you're working on all the time. So I would suggest that you guys create a folder on your desktop and name it as online class for SketchUp and just keep saving all your files over there. Now remember, even though we'll be going through these things in the next topics, we will have to click on File and Save to save any file. And if we click on Save As, then whatever file we have saved will already be there, but it will create a copy if we do a Save As. So that's it guys. I want you guys to just be aware of these small little things before we actually get into the proper understanding of SketchUp. I'll see you guys in the course from the first topic. Take care.